Eh? What? Huh? Hi. So. Hi guys. It's a beautiful day. Yeah, I tell you.
It didn't work though.
Yeah, so
Just afterwards.
as usual. So guys, we're at Little Ochi right now. We're gonna try something new today. We used to know what jerk fish. So we're trying their jerk fish.
I don't think it's new, but it's new to us.
Hi guys, welcome to another episode of AJAWI TV where we discuss architectural and construction related topics. I'm your host, I'm AJAWI. You see my wife just ruined the introduction. She just ruined the intro, guys. So, guys, I'm your host as usual. You know, I'm your host. This is the co-host for today, even though she give me peer trouble. Yes, this is AJAWI. So guys, I just wanted to give you an update on the Build with AJAWI series, right? So I've told you before that I have a client who is overseas and they're looking to do construction, right? And what we have done so far is establish contract. So we ended up Youngster, what's wrong with you? Alright? See, the youngster just interrupt me. Anyway, so we put together a contract for the client. So we ended up doing the drawings, we got that approved, right? Got the drawings approved. Then we went into doing the bill of quantities, right? We did a bill of quantities and we consulted with the client to ensure that they're comfortable with the end value. We also went through the bill of quantities item by item to make sure they understood what each item is and what it entails, right? Or what it covers, because they had a lot of questions. And by right, they should have a lot of questions because they're not in Jamaica and they want to feel comfortable so that they know that, hey, construction is happening and everything is covered within the bill of quantities, right? So, so confirming the bill of quantities, we actually prepared the contract, right? Establish a contract between the client and the contractor, and that's why we're here today to sign off on the contract. You'll see a couple of pictures of that right about now. We signed off on the contract, gave the client a copy, the contractor a copy, and I kept a copy as the administrator, right? From there now, we're going to be looking at the contractor providing us with certain things and also us providing the contractor with certain things. So in particular, he's supposed to provide like insurance, proof of insurance before we actually start working, because we insisted that we wanted to ensure that the site is protected and we're protecting the customer. So we indemnify the customer against any accident that may happen on the site, right? With that said, we are pretty much ready to actually start construction, right? We know that this puts us that much further ahead of the game, though the initial preparation of these documents did take some time. I feel like moving forward, it should be a lot less stressing or for the client themselves, and also it should be faster because everything is covered. There's one major canvas that covers every single area of the construction even though there are things that may or may not come up during construction, but at least we ironed out some of the possible things that may come up during the construction. Alright? So with that said, guys, I want you to hit the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I make videos just like this one. Alright? And you can always see the different projects that I'm doing. I will be posting them on our Instagram, which is AJAWI Construction or AJAWI_construction on Instagram. You can visit our website. So if you want to utilize our services, just go to our website and go to the services section, and you'll be able to, see the different projects that we're on or that we're doing, and you can follow us from there. All right. Make sure you follow this channel. See you next time. Peace out. Yep.